Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Consultancy Services. Our analyst maintains buy on TCS with a price target of Rs 5,230. As we believe TCS remain well positioned to capture opportunities across cost optimization and business transformation, given its strong domain knowledge, digital and Gen AI capabilities. Early signs of a revival in discretionary spend in some verticals, along with BFSI and retail, provides a strong growth recovery narrative for calendar year 25 and financial year 26. We expect a sales CAGR of 7.3% and a PAT CAGR of 9.6% over FY24 to FY27. At current market price, the stock trades at 31.2 times FY25, 28.1 times FY26, and 25.2 times FY27 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.